So here I am, just taking off the handles from my jump rope in fast speed motion. And as you'll soon see, this wasn't the ideal day to make a video like this. There was a typhoon on the way, so it was very windy. You hear the wind right now. I was just waving to some students who were at this school across from where I live. So basically the main disadvantage without using handles is that you have to use your arms a lot more to spin the rope. When you have handles on a rope, it gives you some leverage and it's a lot easier to spin the rope. So when I typically jump rope, I can just use my wrists mostly to spin the rope. But as you can see here, I'm using my forearms and even my upper arms just to spin the rope over my head and under my feet. So can you jump rope with no handles? Yes, but it's a lot more difficult. I suppose if you want to burn more calories when you jump rope, you could jump rope without handles because you're going to have to use your arms to spin the rope more, so you'll burn more energy. So yes, you can use no jump rope handles, but it's really not ideal.